Welcome to this video on primary and foreign keys in SQL. Keys are essential for maintaining data integrity and relationships in databases. In this video, we will explain what they are, why they matter, and how to use them effectively. A primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a table. It ensures that no two rows have the same value in the key column and cannot be null. Here is an example where the ID column is the primary key for the employees table. A foreign key establishes a link between two tables by referencing a primary key from another table. It ensures data integrity by preventing invalid references. In this example, the employee ID in the orders table references the ID in the employees table. Let us look at a real-world example. The employees table has an ID as the primary key. The orders table has a foreign key called employee ID that link back to the employees table. This ensures that each order is associated with a valid employee. Primary and foreign keys play a vital role in database design. They prevent data duplication, maintain integrity, and ensures relationships between tables, allowing for efficient queries and structured data. To summarize, always define a primary key to uniquely identify records. Foreign keys should reference valid records to maintain relationships. Choose appropriate data types and index keys for better performance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more SQL tutorials.